everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. I've got a huge box that just arrived in the mail. This is Code Mono from Wille in the color Light Bernstein Rooted. I found this one on clearance, of course, at Wig Studio One, and I thought it was a great price, you know, with it being on clearance, and I've always wanted to try this style. So I figured, well, why not? You know, it's not a new style. Code Mono is from the Hair Power collection. And you know, so many members have asked me about purchasing from clearance. Look at this, how this arrives. Beautifully, beautifully packaged. They are so good. I'm not keeping that box, by the way. Look at this. It has a cap over it, and that's to keep it straight. And then we have the hairnet and the zigzag part. Sometimes when customers return, it's not because it's a damage. If it's damaged, it won't be sold on clearance. It's usually because the color or the style doesn't go with, you know, the person opens up the box and says, oh, I don't like that color, or that color isn't going to look good on me, or something along those lines. So once the box has been opened, then it can't be sold as new. And then we take advantage of that. I'm just taking off the tag. Oh my gosh, it feels so nice. This is traditional fibers, but it's feeling like HD fibers. It's so silky. Beautiful, beautiful. This Light Bernstein Rooted is gorgeous. You know what this is looking like? This is looking like peppermint from Beltress, and it feels like it as well. I don't feel any permatease at all. I feel a very light density. It weighs 4 ounces, but it does not feel in my hand as low as 4 ounces. We'll see if it falls in my face. I have a 21.75 circumference. We'll see how it fits. Wille has a reputation for fitting smaller, but I have many Willes, and it fits my very average size very comfortably. Let me show you the cap before I put it on. We have a temple to temple lace front, all one piece with the left mono part. We have some lace right here, and there is really no permatease there to speak of. Felt covered ear tabs with stays, an extended nape, and Velcro adjusters. And we have some stretch to the cap. All right, let's see how this one fits me after I take off the little string here for the tag. Feels beautiful, beautiful, beautiful silky fibers. All right, let's take a look at the ear tabs. Here are the ear tabs right here. Here is my hairline. So there is good coverage. And the same with the other side. Beautiful Wille hairline. The lace front is absolutely gorgeous. The lace front just melts into the skin. And there are nice fibers, light fibers, but you don't get a band. We have some nice fibers interwoven with that light brunette. There is a little bit of shine because this is traditional fibers. And as you can see, I just took it out of the box and it's staying off my face. Let's talk a little bit about the color, Light Bernstein Rooted. This is a light auburn with light honey blonde and a light reddish brown. And then we have some dark roots, but the roots seem to go right, it just melts right into, it blends, not melts, but it blends right along with the blondes. Beautiful, beautiful color. The colors just blend beautifully together. I used to flat iron my hair all the time, and the way these ends are kind of jagged, I'll move back. The way the ends are a bit jagged, it almost seems as if a flat iron was taken and made the hair straight. I'll show you code mono on all sides, and then I'll give you the measurements. Very, very light fibers. We do have some layering on here, and if you wanted to cut those layers a little bit shorter to frame your face a little bit better, it wouldn't be a problem to do that. We have front of 5 inches. My face from hairline to chin is 7 3/4. We have 5 inches, even though there seems to be some shorter pieces right here. We have a crown of 10 1/2. We have sides of 11 1/2. And the nape is 11 1/2. So we have a nice long piece here. You could wear it tucked behind the ear. You could see my fingers just go right around. This is very low density. You can make a ponytail. You could put it up in a messy bun. Wear it off the face. I also think it's very similar to Belle Tress's Peppermint. If you're looking for something similar to Peppermint, and you want traditional fibers, you don't want the HD fibers, code mono is very similar. We don't have any permatease. We have very light density, and it's almost the same length. Wear it with the headband. See how we have that feathering right there. Really pretty. Overall, code mono seems to be a flattering, easy style to wear. If you enjoy the long, very straight styles, if you want traditional synthetic, and you want a style like we find on so many of the Belle Tress pieces, Kushikamana or Peppermint, or any of the longer styles that have, and we love Belle Tress because we don't want the permatease and we don't want the high density, but we want traditional fibers. If you are liking styles like that, I think that you would absolutely love code mono. And the fit, it fits me perfectly. And I am a true average. I am not a petite. I don't know, I have no way of gauging how much larger it would fit, but I would say if you have 22 inches, I mean, it's only a little bit larger than mine, and I have 21.75, so it's just a little bit bigger. It will fit. It should fit, unless your other measurements are much bigger than mine. Then that may change a bit. But I've got 12 3/4 ear to ear, and as you can see, I mean, I'll never have that coverage on the hairline, but I have good coverage. If you don't have that low hairline, you'll have excellent coverage. Just a lovely, lovely, easy style. All right, let's take a walk outside so you could see like Bernstein rooted out in the daylight, and then I'll come back. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate you spending this time with me. I hope you've enjoyed this review of Code Mono by Ellen Villa in the color Light Bernstein Rooted. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.